Hi everyone, welcome back from break. I hope everybody had a good time and actually got some relaxing time away from their computer and books and everything and didn't work too hard. Welcome to week 7. I just wanted to jump in and show you guys a couple things that are coming up so that there was no confusion or anything. So let me just adjust my screen here a little bit. So week 7 is hematopoietic disorders. So there's a module overview there. There's chapters 22, 23, 24 to go over in your textbook. So you can do those, make sure you do the pre-quiz. Again, it's not based on your score, it's just based that you completed it. The PowerPoints that will be helpful for the week are right here as well. There are a couple videos for you to watch. And some more readings here. One of the big things this week is a case study. It's called the Leona Collaborative Assignment. So I'll click on that so I can show you what's coming up here. Before I forget, someone did ask if we were in the same groups, and actually I reassigned groups this time because there are 5 slides and I wanted everybody to participate in that. So I assigned, most groups have 4 people in their group. Some people have 3, just based on the number of students we have right now. That's the best way that it worked out, and they were all assigned randomly. So just to explain this to you, they provide a slide deck for you right here. So you can click into that. The slides are already made with the questions. And then actually our groups are divided by letters this time, so you can just put your group letter here. You're going to share this slide deck with your group members as well as myself in the share box. That way everybody will have a copy. And then each group member should complete 1 slide. Each person should just have 1. It should not be spilled into 2. It should all be into 1 slide. And then answer the question on that slide. Include your name in the speaker notes section at the bottom of the slide so they know who did each slide. And you're going to get that slide done and uploaded as a group, as your entire slide deck, by Thursday, by midweek, just like we always do. And you're going to submit that as an initial forum post. And remember, 1 person can submit for your whole group into the forum post, which is right under where this collaborative assignment is. But don't forget, each person needs to submit their completed slide deck to be graded. In the past, some people have forgotten to do that, and I have found your slides by going through the forum posts and giving you full credit. But going forward, if you don't submit it for grading, it's going to be considered late. So make sure that each person is submitting their slide deck into the grading portion. You're going to, during the second half of the week, then go through and look at 2 other groups' slide decks. Read through those, and then we want you to answer some of these questions. So you're going to respond to the post of 2 other groups and answer one of the following questions. So maybe for group A, you'll pick the first question and answer that, and then for group B, maybe you'll pick the last question. Just making sure you're picking different questions for each one. So that's how that assignment will go. If you have any questions, just let me know. Let's see here. Go back. And so here's the sharing form. So this is where you can click in, and then 1 member of your group can submit the completed slide deck right here. And then by the end of the week, you need to complete the plagiarism module. I know several people have already completed that. So you can go through and read how to recognize plagiarism, do the tutorials and the tests, and then the certification test at the end. When prompted, choose a master's or doctoral student in graduate school for the level of the exam. And then when you finish the exam, submit the completion certificate into Moodle to be graded and to get credit for it. So those are really the 2 things this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. But welcome back from break, and I look forward to reading everybody's posts. Take care.